best app linked codes that you can use. The first things first is, of course, you'll need to have a code for you to be able to input it on the app link application. Now from here, for you to be able to get here and take note of these codes, all I have to do is to access any browser that you can or you wanted to use and just search and look for troypoint.com/applinked dash codes forward slash right there. So this is gonna be a website that will provide you certain codes for you to be able to input it on your app link and will be able to use it without any problems. So the first code is gonna be here. So we'll just have to take note of this, and it has a description on what this specific code is going to be used for. So for 5555, this is going to be from IPTV Smarters Pro, STB emulator, and Swift streams. So you'll just have to input this code on your app link application right here and just go directly to submit. You can also use a different code like the 7777 and the 8888 and many more. So again, just go to this website right here and take note of these codes or choose any codes that you would like to use. So that's it. That's how you find the best codes that you can use on AppLinked.